My name is Dr. Singh and I am working in Dr. Rishi Institute in Karnal, Haryana. Because the Essence Toric IOL is basically based upon the monofocal plus platform. So definitely as compared to the standard monofocal toric IOL, it provides a better range of vision. So it also provides a good intermediate vision as compared to monofocal toric. So it's provide a good intermediate vision. So it's in the post-operative period, definitely it's beneficial as compared to standard monofocal IOL, because nowadays most of the activities the patients are doing come under the intermediate vision. Essence Toric IOL, almost we have implanted more than 10 IOLs, and these short studies showed that the dual haptic provides a good centration and rotational stability is better as compared to the other IOL, because the frosted edge technology provides a better stability in the capsular bag. So the stability of the IOL is excellent as compared to the other IOL. Definitely the frosted edge technology provides stability, but the glare and halos comes due to the non-diffractive platform, as this provides the IOL monofocal plus advantage. So because with non-diffractive technology, it provides a good intermediate vision and there is no glare and halos or phototoxic symptoms, especially in the post-operative period. This is better especially for the females, for the young age patients, or who are doing mostly intermediate vision, and those patients there are contraindications for the implantation of the diffractive IOL, because it provides a good intermediate vision and definitely with the no phototopic symptoms in the post-operative period like glare and halos. So like in case of the macular pathology or glaucoma patient in which already the contrast is slightly affected, you can easily implant this IOL and it is provide a good vision. Definitely with the bilateral implantation, patient's vision is almost innate. So almost all activities patient can do without any specs in the post-operative period. So it's a good lens for the patients because it provides spectacle independence definitely, and for all the intermediate vision when we observe, especially in our patients, they are satisfied with the result. Definitely, I would like to recommend this lens to other surgeons because first is made in India IOL with a good result in the post-operative period, good stability with the frosted edge technology, good results in terms of the good platform of the monofocal plus IOL with the advantage of toric. In this lens is good IOL.